Hello everyone. We'll just move the mic closer. How's everyone doing? Welcome to my bedroom. I'm just having a coffee and getting ready to never mind that. Just getting ready to provide some content. So as you can see here, this game, I think what we call, did I just whack my mic? This app is called Flipside Studio. And this is me you're looking at. So if I pull the camera closer, how you all doing? So you can, the idea about this application is it's like a virtual studio, if you will. So you can have different sets, you can record whatever kind of content you want, interviews, talks like this, talk shows, whatever you want, dancing videos. You create your own custom avatar and you pick one from multiple selections that they have. You can even upload a photo and generate an avatar for you. I went in through the customization tool just to see how it was, and this is me. This is the outfit that I picked. And I think this is very useful, and I think this is a game changer for people who don't want to show their face. I'm very handsome. I show my face quite often in my videos. But if you're not handsome, or if you're shy, or whatever, you can use this, and this is pretty cool. And you can even set different camera angles. You can come out and do some editing. I think there's lots of power in this, and you can bring in lots of different props that you want to use. Lots of different sets, and like I said, you can move the camera. You decide when you want to record. You decide if you want to bring in props. You can bring in multiplayer. So if you want to do an interview with someone virtually and use your avatars, you can do that. I think that's fantastic. I've even set up a spotlight here on me, so you can change the way the lighting is. I mean, if you haven't got loads of money to spend on a studio, like not all of us have because we broke, damn it, then I think this is a really good alternative. So I can film some videos in here. What I do want to know is if I can start to upload some images, maybe post my art around the room and talk about it. That would be fun. Or maybe, host a call with some fellow content creators, that kind of thing. You could do that in virtual reality right here. I'm using the Oculus Quest 2 on its own. I've had mine a couple of years now, but less than 400 quid, and you can have a virtual studio now. So that's fantastic, I think. I've only just dived in, so I've done the tutorial that told me how to, made me do a little bit of a dance. But I think there's a bit of potential here. You know what I mean? How do we do a thumbs up? There we go. And like I said, it's quite powerful. It takes a minute to load, obviously, because there's lots going on here, but I like it. Yeah, I mean, I did have a chair underneath me. I don't know where that's gone. I messed it up. But you get lots of different props. I mean, so I'll quickly show you. You got your menu here. Move that out of the way. So some features that this application has. So you name each one a different project. It's the way it works. So the call project, you do it in a set. You do it with a character. Visibility, that turns on your character visibility. So here I am. Record and not record. You can even have a teleprompter. So if you've got a script that you want to read, you've got it there. So welcome to your teleprompter. Control, Oculus touch, press B to advance, and Y to move backwards. The last line is highlighted because it's a preview of the first line. Oh, okay, so we've got to press play first. Yeah, okay, right. So yeah, so you've got your teleprompter. So if you've got a script that you want to read out, clearly I don't in this video, because I'm just trying this out. But you can put your script there, and you can keep it out of frame. I keep hitting my mic. You can keep it out of frame so that no one can see it. Very professional. So that's a teleprompter. That's for your scripts. Like I said, you can pull in different lights. I haven't realized if you can. I don't know if you can change the color or anything yet. Properties. You can turn gravity on or off, but I think that's about it. I don't think you can change colors just yet. Bear with it. What else have we got? So you get different sets. So like I said, I'm in the bedroom at the minute. There's a daytime talk show. It's a news broadcast station. You've got a tavern, a shrine, a rainbow stage, a park at night. I don't know why it's a park at night. So we're currently in the bedroom. You can do setup, select set, star. You can make it in your favorites. There's only one page so far. Oh no, there's more. Those were featured. So there's loads more. I didn't even realize. So we've got an arcade, cafeteria, classroom, kitchen. So if you were doing a cooking show, kitchen there, gym, house, diner, library, outdoor. You've probably got a park daytime. That makes more sense. Park during the day. Little Tokyo, got the lake, castles, deserts, anything you can think of. So if you want to do like role play stuff, I know VR chat is quite popular for that kind of thing. I think this, you don't even need to install any mods or anything, for cameras. You've got a camera right there. I think that's fantastic. You can even do sci-fi locations. This is absolutely brilliant. From the possibilities of this, I think, is just immense. Underwater planet, spaceship laboratory, whatever you want to do. I can see people making some great stuff with this. I think it's just the visibility of it. I mean, I didn't even know this was coming out. I stumbled across it when I was browsing the store. I think it only released today. It was in the newly released section. I could be wrong. Apologies if I am. I want to check it out because I think I am going to be using this, play around. So those are the stages, the sets even. You can go into multiplayer, like I said. You can pull some friends in, if you have any. I don't. Cries. And you get props. I mean, characters is just the avatar that you're using. I'll quickly show you those. So there's me. There's my Ready Player Me avatar. Or you can go in, there's humans, presets, there's animals. You can be a crocodile, some dinosaur bones if you want to be. There's even aliens, whatever you want to be, whatever reason. I mean, for what I'm doing, I'll probably stick with me, just not to confuse you all. I don't want you thinking I'm an alien or a dinosaur. So, yeah, those are the characters. And then you've got props with a capital P. And in props, there you go. So you've got the camera, you've got an action mark. These are like editing stuff. Tell you the current time. Camera switcher. You've got a seat that you can clip to, so the seats actually work. You can teleport to them and sit on them. Eye target, tell you where to look. Live monitor, slideshows, teleprompter controllers. And then you've also got furniture, so different kinds of seats and desks, stools. You've got decor, daggers, campfires, buckets of water, basketballs, whatever you might need. So air hockey, presumably you can play air hockey in here then. And you got food, and you can just a cauldron is not food. You can just pull any of this in. So if I want to pull in a hot dog, for example, where's it at? Where's my hot dog? My coffee's all the way over there. Oh, there it is. So if I wanted to pull in a hot dog, I don't know if you actually eat it. So if I wanted to pull in a hot dog, then it's got that. And I think you turn gravity on. So properties, if we turn gravity on, then we can throw it. Yeah. So now it's a hot dog. Still can't eat it. But I think that's pretty cool. Dynamite, mushrooms, pizza. I mean, useful props that you might want to use. And then you've also got building blocks and electronics. Now there is imported props. Now this is where I'm thinking, can I pull in any of my paintings that I've done digitally or in IRL? Can I pull them in? Now it does say there's a companion app and website that you can use to it makes you register your email address, and then you can unlock extra features. So maybe that's what that is. Using this, I can upload my own things, and that's what I want to do. If I can get to do that, I think this is going to be fantastic. Not that I'm going to hide my face from the world, but I think this can be a powerful tool. So I'm going to check that out for the next video. I'm going to see. I've been busy right now, so I just wanted to quickly dive in and show you guys. But I'm going to check this out. I'm going to see how this whole thing works. I'm going to see how I can upload things, what I can upload, what the properties are that you can bring in. And then if it is, I'm going to try and customize this room. And then I'm going to see what I can come up with in this tool. And I think the developers are onto something here. And like I said, let me just show you how to quickly record. Oh, you can even bring in a puppet. I don't know what you would do with that. I think I broke it. But to record, you simply press the red button. So here's a test. So recording 3, 2, 1. Hello and good morning. An earthquake on the East Coast has wiped out all living mice. But first, a hot dog. I think I'm destroying my mic. And then all you do to stop is push the stop button. And it cuts. And that's it. Would you like to keep this recording? Absolutely. Okay. So there we are. Look. And now what you can do here.
Hello and good morning. An earthquake on the East Coast has wiped out all living mice. But first...
So what you do, actually, let me...
I think I'm destroying my mic.
So,
and then all you do
you can watch this from anywhere, but what you need to do is if you turn off the visibility, you're no longer in your avatar. And then you can zoom in, turn around, zoom out. And so you can view it from any angle. I'm getting lost here. How was he sat on that chair? Hang on. What you don't see behind the scenes on a Crackerdown video. Oh my god. Look at that. My mic's on the floor. My seat is through the desk, and I'm just essentially squatting. But you didn't know that. You didn't know that was all going on, because all you could see... Wait. Not today, Crackerdown. All you could see was this. Yeah. We're not even going to go there. This is PG-13. And so what you can do before I record... So that was me recording the actions. That was what's called motion capture. But what you can do is you can change the camera angles and then actually do your recordings that way. So you got horizontal lock, you got focal length, portrait mode. Yeah, you can pull that in, and you can put a timed photo on there. You can take a quick selfie, and yeah, so that changes where the camera is. Oh yeah, and you can have multiple cameras as well. That one's facing the other way. Flip it, so you can even switch between the two. So it's almost like a professional studio. Well, I mean, it is essentially a professional studio. You get all this room to play with. I don't know what's going on with this chair. There we go. Get rid of it. Right, I'm back in my visibility, so I'm back in my avatar.
I think I'm destroying my mic. And then all you do is stop.
Did I just selfie photobomb myself? Anyway, so we had that recording. I'm not sure how it works yet in terms of using these camera angles. I think you got to use the camera switcher. There must be like an export area, or I think it said use OBS, and it's also got a companion app that you can stream to it and unlock your recordings. I don't know what. There's a lot of stuff that I don't know what it does because I've only just dived in. Oh. But yeah, I think this has immense possibilities. So there you go. I think that's got some real potential there to be used. It's actually called Flipside Studio, and it was released on the 2nd of March, so it wasn't today. A few days behind, but I have been travelling. I think there's loads of potential there for people to utilise the tools, such as the camera, the lighting, the avatars, the multiplayer features, so you can pull in your friends and you can do interviews or, essentially podcasts and things, and you don't need to spend money on a studio, and you don't need a fancy computer or fancy software. You've got all built in there. You've got a teleprompter that you can put your scripts into. You've got lighting, you've got microphones, you've got props that you can use. So I think this game is free, by the way, on the Oculus Store, and this video is not sponsored in any way, unless they want to give me some money. But I just wanted to share it because I think this tool can help a lot of people who don't have all that fancy equipment but do have a VR headset. And like I said, it works on Quest 2 standalone, bring in all that gear. Yes, it's a little bit slow to load in props and to load in new sets. You're talking maybe a minute or so, but that will save you so much time and so much effort elsewhere, and the possibilities are great. And like I say, you can load in a photo and create your avatar so you look unique, you look like yourself. What I do need to figure out, like I said in the video, is can I bring in my own props? Now I'm going to check that out, and if I find out that you can and how to do it, I'll upload another video and I'll show you all how to do it. And I will feature some of my own custom props. I might even bring in my dog. If I can bring in my dog Lucy, then fine, she can come in with me and she can sit and host a video in virtual reality. That'd be fantastic. I mean, she's growling now because she knows. She heard her name. So I think it's got loads of possibilities. So it's called Flipside Studio. Go and check it out. It's for free on the Oculus Store. It was released on the 2nd of March, so you'll find it in the new section. And hopefully you can do the tutorial, make sure that you understand how it works, have a play around. If you've watched this video, you'll have seen some of the mistakes I made. But yeah, I think there's loads of potential here for people to really make some creative things, and I'm excited to see what people come up with. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope you liked it. I know it was a bit different for some of my usual content, but like I said, I think it's a fantastic idea. Okay, yeah, I think it's very useful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.